Sa gitna.
Beer.
Mukhang malakas uminom ng mga to. What is your name, sir? Miko. Okay. You, sir. Rico. Miko or Rico?
And you, sir?
Marlon.
Marlon.
Okay. Miko, Rico, and Marlon. Gilbert Arena sucks. Okay.
It's really cold. It's really cold.
Naka-jersey kasi siya. Okay. Ito yung pabilisan, di ba? Uminom ng beer. Yung pinakaunang makaubos ng beer, lalapit sa mic na to. Okay. Hindi nakaon yung mic. Lalapit sa mic na to, yung hawak-hawak ko, okay? Yung pinakaunang nakatapos ng beer, nakaubos ng beer, sasabihin nila, Red Horse, extra strong beer. Ito ang tama. Okay? Kasi na?
Okay.
Ano sasabihin?
Strong beer, ito ang tama.
Okay. Alright. Buksan niyo na yung mga beer niyo. Taka lang. Before we start, nakailang beer ka na? Tatlo. Ikaw?
Wow.
Dalawa lang. Kaya pa naman, di ba? Nasa edad ba kayo lahat? Baka may ma-disqualify pa dito. 60.
What?
Hindi. 18 siya, 18. Okay, at the count of 3, sabay-sabay yung ano?
Looks really good.
Inumin. Tapos, to prove that it's finished, upside down over the head. Okay? And then, lapit sa mic ko, Red Horse Extra Strong Beer. Ito ang tama. Yung mic ko, wala. Check. Okay. Yung mic na to, okay? Itong mic. Alright. Handa na ba kayo? Handa na kayo?
Ready?
Okay.
Okay. 1,
2, 3.
Go!
Alright.
Drink it up.
Red Horse beer, straight down.
Wow! Oh my God!
Over the head! Oh!
Red Horse, extra strong beer. Ito ang tama.
Yeah!
You did it! That's how it
Medyo
goes.
mabasahin yung t-shirt, pero okay yan.
I want this over.
Congratulations! Pinakamabilis na uminom ng Red Horse Extra Strong Beer. You take home a Red Horse beer bag.
Yeah. Congratulations to you. Wow, God, that makes me know. It's really good, right?
All right, congratulations, sir. And do we have consolation prizes? Stickers.
Yes,
Stickers
of course.
No?
You won't walk away without any
nobody
prize.
walks away home a loser tonight. Ito. Yung isang classic sticker.
Yeah, no, 2 different numero 7 stickers. Lovely.
Sige, ikaw meron din. Oh, yan. All right.
There we go.
Thank you very much to our contestants
Hope you had
for
fun, guys.
drinking that beer.
Yeah.
Okay, after the next